If you use Ubersuggest Keyword Research tool, then you really want to see this update. Have you ever done your keyword research on Ubersuggest or maybe any other keyword research tool and you are convinced that you did a great job, you got keywords with low search difficulties, but after you have written your blog article, you notice that your article is still not ranking, maybe after several weeks or even several months. And you're sure that you use the keyword research strategies to get high volume and low competition keywords to target your blog articles. You got it right. Now, there's a chance that you're making a mistake or you're not using the new Ubersuggest feature to get the most recent search difficulty value. So before I showed you what you probably did wrong, let me quickly introduce my Ubersuggest Advanced Keyword Research course that show you how to dig deep into advanced keyword research and competitor analysis, which enable you to write blog articles that guarantee between 10,000 to 60,000 monthly organic visits to your website or blog every month. Now, the link to that course will be in the video description. Please check it up and get it. I can assure you that you will love everything that I've shared in that course. I promise you. All right, so here I am in my Ubersuggest dashboard, and I want to assume that, okay, I'm doing a particular research for a keyword which I call digital marketing. Okay, of course, maybe let's assume that I want to write a blog article on digital marketing and I'm doing research on that. Now you can see some of these statistics. Now let's assume that I scroll down here and I got a keyword that says localized digital marketing and the volume is 1,300, which is good. CPC of $13, which is fantastic, and then the search difficulty is 34, which is not bad at all for a topic like this. Okay, but the issue here that I want you to notice and be very wary of is the fact that if you come to this updated tab here, you will notice that this update, this particular value was an updated value for 1 month ago. Okay, so the fact that you're having 34 here as your search difficulty does not necessarily mean that you are working with the most recent value. So before you go ahead to jump ahead and copy out this keyword and start writing on it, you want to be sure that you get the updated value for the search difficulty, which is like one of the most, if not the most important factor that you must be sure you are right on before you go ahead to start writing your blog article using this keyword. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is that here you can see that I have 34 here. So I'll come to this particular point here. You can see here that it's saying click to update metrics. So I'm going to click on that and wait to see if this 34 is still going to be maintaining that same value by the time that this update has been done. So let's wait a few seconds and see what we're going to have. So you can see here that right now, this search difficulty has changed from 34 to 38, which has made the difficulty to be significantly increased, at least a little bit. Okay, now if you check up on every other keyword, you will notice that it's just almost the same thing. Okay, so for example, let me just use any one here. Let's use this 54 here. I'm saying freelance digital marketing, 22,000. So 54, this is last week. I'm sure this value will still be almost the same thing because this is just last week. But let's just check it up and be sure that we are working with the most recent statistics. So let's see what 54 search difficulty is going to give us. Okay, so of course it's still giving us 54. So that shows that, okay, this is actually most recent. So let me do something else. Let me come to this search difficulty here and let me choose easy keyword, which is 0 to 35. Let's use that filter. Okay, so I'm having some interesting here. So you can see here, let's look at this digital marketing agent. Now here the volume says 40,500. Fantastic. CPC $8. Fantastic. Search difficulty 29. Fantastic. But before I go ahead to start writing my blog article on digital marketing agents, I want to be sure that what I have 3 months ago is probably still maintained in itself even today. So what I'll do is that once again, I'll come here and I'll search for it. Let's see what 29 is right now. So you can see what I'm talking about. 29, which was a fantastic search difficulty, as at now has turned to 59. You want to be sure you're not making that mistake. The same thing here. What is digital marketing? 27,100, 3 CPC. Again, search difficulties 23, 3 months ago. So let's check for now. Remember, we had 23. So let's see what it's going to give us now. Let's see if 23 is still going to be the search difficulty we're going to have, or if 23 has changed to maybe a easier keyword or a more difficult keyword. And that's another thing you should also put in mind. So you can see here that we're having 76. So you can see that this is actually very important that you make sure that you are working with the updated and the most recent search difficulty score. If you don't do that, you're going to be writing very difficult keywords which you thought was an easy keyword. And seriously, it doesn't always have to go up. Sometimes when you do your updated check, you discover that some keywords could have also jumped down, depending, but most times you always expect that they will be jumping up because more persons obviously should be writing about them. So this is what you want to do. So it is not enough for you to just come here and say that, woo, I have beautiful keywords here. You want to make sure that all of these 3 months, I think 3 months is the default, score that you're going to get in on Ubersuggest most of the time. So you want to make sure that all of these 3 months, you make sure you update them to now before you start picking your keyword to start writing your articles on. So this is what I think I said I should show you. Let me know if it's an important update, and let me know if you think this is a very sensitive thing that every blogger must know before they start writing their articles. If you find value on this video, please give it a like, and if you want to enjoy more tutorials like this, make sure you are subscribed to this channel if you have not done so already. And please, I want you to really get that course. It's going to help you a lot, to get keywords that you're going to be using for a long time, and it's going to guarantee you traffic, and you're going to also be supporting my channel at the same time when you buy that course, and I will really appreciate it. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.